Hello, my name is Jamit Arias, a student for engineering and la UNAD. Today I co present you Lago de la Vega, where pace and kit are not an opinion. Lago de la Vega is a magical place where you can rest and enjoy it for family. It's unlikely local and 5 minutes from the municipal or Saravena. But this very visitable people who want to get out of the routine is also to celebrate parties, take pictures, is green arts press debate of play and arrive and remain from the wax give fresh eyes on scene on the verse. To go this place you have the will face the challenge tan sometime post wafer arriving. So much out prepared and waiting to your inclusion is perfect place to rest. A trip online, a trip awfully those days today, excuse me, that will work every minute and you will enjoy every seconds. Activities, activities. In the first days, you can with one taking wood dry, you can enjoy different games such as volleyball, soccer and tejo. You can fish. On second day, your adult you soul play target of shopping. Today's your and found you go to tag and walk along the banks of the river. During these days, in place, meat and drink will offer Friday flush, diner and delicious, stuffed patacón, breakfast, chocolate, derivados, productos in cocoa region. Likewise, and will be chiguiri pisillo, with and delicious passion fruit dessert. Place today's stays, I'm from one who stays there. Our opinions on issues like the kinds others come around the rival, pony company or company. Cost. Evaluate for inch will be 100,000 pesos for persona. Will you additional costs? Okay. Thank you.